Okay, so I have to put a countertop in here. One way you can determine this area without taking a template and, putting it in here and trying to figure it all out. If you know the overhang of your counter, and if you know that your front of your cabinets are perfectly straight, especially if you use a string line like I did, make sure it's all nice and straight, you can just draw a center line. And then you basically measure to the outside edge. That's 36 7/8. Measure the outside over here. See, that's 36 3/4. You do the same at the back. 36 3/4. Right here is 36 5/8. So it's quite a bit out. All right. Now that right there will give you your measurements so you can cut a counter so it'll fit. I know that it is wider at the front than at the back. That's great. That means I can kind of put it in and slide it into place. But the other thing is if basically you just have to transfer this mark, the center mark of your counter, onto the countertop, put a piece of tape down, put your mark on there, and then you just measure out. You just measure out 36 7/8, make that mark, 36 3/4, make that mark over there, same over there, draw a line from there to there, cut it, there to there, cut it, and generally that will fit into place. And then if you have any specialty scribes, like if this is bowing in here or it's bowing out, you can check that with just a small piece that's, yay wide and yay deep, put it up there and you can draw it. Basically, you just match up these marks with your template on either side and at the back, and you can perfectly fit a countertop without ever having to put the countertop down here in place or do a full counter template. It's really easy to do. Center mark, make sure your front is perfectly straight. Those are your two reference points. That'll give you everything you need to know to do that counter.